This is a 1901 poster by Marcello Dudovich for Bitter Campari. Now, this video is going to be very dark because it's a very dark poster, so I apologize in advance. But Bitter Campari has one of the best poster histories of any brand. It has hundreds of posters that were commissioned for it, but this is one of the rarest and the best. You'll notice that it basically is just one color. It's various shades of red, which I think is incredibly interesting that he got such a passionate and beautiful design out of one color. And not only is it the color of the actual product, so Campari's this rich red, but also has the smoldering passion of the couple basically pressing her up against the back of a couch and bending her backwards, which is incredibly sexy. Now, Dudovich is one of the greatest Italian poster artists of all time. And this piece in particular is incredibly rare because it's from the Julius Paul Collection. Between 1900 and 1935, Julius Paul, he was a cigarette rolling paper magnate, and he created one of the greatest poster collections in history. During World War II, the posters were housed by the Albertina Museum in Vienna before being restituted to Paul's heirs about a decade ago. They then sold the collection, and I've only ever seen maybe 3 copies of this poster in the whole world, so I was so excited when I saw it. And it's just, again, an incredible poster for a brand with an incredible advertising history. If you've watched our other videos, we have the Nizzoli poster also for Bitter Campari. It's just tremendous.